Hi, favored ones. Welcome to Soul Prosperity. For today's session, we're going to talk about being one with nature. And, um, during this time of pandemic, most of us are just cooped up inside our rooms, inside our homes, inside our condo units with our family. And, it can also get overwhelming when we are restricted to staying at home. But then, because staying at home is safe for us, then we should comply um, with government mandate. Now, um, the message for today is to still be one with nature because we are natural beings, and it's automatic for us that when we are out in the environment, when we are with our plants or when we are with our pets, we get recharged. Um, we tend to clear our minds. We tend to release the negativities that we have automatically simply because we are natural beings. So, because we are natural beings, when we are with our pets, with plants, or with nature, if we go out for a stroll, for a walk, if we meditate under the sun, just being part of nature, feeling the wind, feeling the earth, be it in a pot of soil, be it a pot of soil, it's fine as long as you are feeling the earth, seeing how plants are growing, then you would know how abundant life is. And because you are a natural being, you are part of that abundance, part of that circle of abundance. And that is the important reminder today that if we are outside or even looking out our window and we're seeing plants, we're seeing the birds, we're seeing um, any animal or plant life, it gives us a shift in perspective that nature has its own way of providing. And simply because we are natural beings, we are part of the earth, and that we are children of God, everything will be provided to us as well. We can sustain ourselves in this life. Now, um, when we are with nature, it automatically shifts our vibration. It pushes us towards that higher vibration, and of course reminds us of how God can provide for everything. So this is just a reminder to still find time to be with nature, even if you can't go out and take a walk around your place. You could buy a plant, or you could spend time with pets. That's one way to be one with nature, and you would be surprised with the kinds of insight that you can get when you are communing with nature, when you are um, coming into the realization that nature is bountiful, and aligning to that frequency would make us prosperous and bountiful as well. So you're truly abundant, and I know that for a lot of us, it has to really come into realization for us to really understand it. Because if it's me just telling you about it, you wouldn't really understand it within your heart. You would just know it in your mind, but in practice, or the realizations coming from within the heart, it's also different. So find time to be with nature and experience it for yourself. All right, so we'll do a short exercise to help you connect with nature so that you could also feel the abundance and the bounty that nature has to give to you. Since you're also a child of the earth, then automatically you have that abundance as well. All right, so Oh, hi, Lian. Okay, sige. Actually, for Lian who's present, of course, makukuha niya agad yung energy. But you could also watch the replay and you'd still get the same energy. All right? So I'm inviting you to just be in receiving mode. Just close your eyes and take deep breaths. So visualize yourself rooting towards the ground from the base of your spine. Visualize roots growing towards the earth, moving wide and deeper. And you feel yourself growing like a tree, like a plant, like a flower, and simply teeming with life, feeling so alive that just being grounded to the earth would give you such nourishment and such support. Feel the essence of a tree, feel the essence of a plant life moving, surging throughout your body, and feel the energy coming from the sun nourishing you. And as the wind blows towards you, feel that freshness. You're one with nature. Even animal life would flock towards you, feeling your warmth, feeling your embrace, feeling that love coming from within your heart. And so it is. Amen, amen, amen. Alright, so thank you for joining, Lian. Yeah, alam ko medyo late ka pumasok, but it's okay. Naabutan mo yung naabutan mo pa rin yung energy healing. So, God bless. I hope you have a blessed Thursday and middle of the week na. So, just continue on and finish the week. So, cycle of life lang naman ito. Right? So, continue to carry on and just be happy. God bless.